have to work on these things, this insecurity and unhappiness. And only you can free yourself. Nobody else can free you. That's why when I say some of these things, people sometimes they don't like it, they get disappointed. Some of them can get hurt also. That is, the point is, a guru can never liberate you. Why should I talk about guru? Because that is how gurudom is prevalent in the society. The gurus, they take the responsibility of liberating you upon themselves. That is how they make you psychologically dependent upon them. And they like it. They like it that people are dependent upon them psychologically. They like it. They want them to be psychologically dependent upon them. That they thrive upon it. The more people dependent psychologically, the more comfortable the Mahatma is. It is very bad. Big disservice to the people, because they will remain in bondage forever. Nothing will happen. Then the guru is no more. Then they start believing guru came in the dream. Like that. They carry forward the ignorance. Anyway, you see, there is another thing also. This moksha thing, I said another thing, so let me say something about it. You have to check whether you are pursuing the lesser things, then you will lose the higher. You have to stop pursuing the lesser things, then you will gain the higher. Suppose you sit at home saying, my son, my daughter, my grandson, my granddaughter, my dog, my cat, etc., etc., you will not go to moksha thing. Because smaller things, lesser things, when you pursue, the higher you will miss. You should disentangle from the small and seek the highest. The highest state of security and happiness, moksha, you have to seek that. You should not seek some silly things. Like, I like this kind of food. Suppose that becomes popular, then everybody will be bringing that food and you will be enjoying it. So you get stuck in a smaller thing. And a general rule is, whatever pleases you keeps you back, holds you back. Therefore, with the things of the world, you should not get pleased with them. You have to deal with them because they are part of the life, and allow the natural thing to happen naturally and move forward. You should not enter into a state of mindset in which you feel pleased with this, pleased with that. Suppose the Mahatma is pleased with half a dozen things, say, list will be there. And all the devotees will be aware of that list. And they will be providing those things to the Mahatma. And Mahatma continues to be pleased with those things. So he remains in the bondage. How is the food? Food is good, enjoyed. That is the end of it. You should not take it to the heart more than that. Just one example I told. So, you have to see, am I getting pleased with the lesser, with the smaller, or that means that is bondage. You just manage without particularly getting pleased or particularly getting attached. To tell you frankly, you should realize the unsatisfactoriness of the world. You should realize that. This world, with all its trappings and its perks and its comforts, its pleasures, it is not good. It is not a satisfactory thing. Don't try to derive satisfaction in them, in all those things. Let me put aside all those things. And so, you should be able to say that. Means a very intense vairagya is also required. Then all insecurity and unhappiness will disappear. Because in seeking the things of the world, the smaller ones which are unreal, in that sense they are smaller, Moksha alone is real. That's why it is called the higher. In seeking the smaller, which are the unreal, and getting attached to them, giving them more importance than necessary. In a practical way, some importance has to be given, but giving more importance to all these worldly things makes you insecure and unhappy. And as long as you remain insecure and unhappy, of course, that is the bondage. So, we have to address these things and work out in us about these things, how much self-concern I have, what kind of desires I am entertaining, am I getting pleased too often with the things of the world. Like that, people have to do a lot of introspection and realize their own freedom in their heart.